Hello everyone, this is Savage Gamer 1998 here, and yes, I've got another broken console to fix. Yes, you might be thinking, it's in the title, yes, so I don't even know why I do this anymore. So, we're gonna open this up. I will get the bubble wrap off. Move the box out of the way. Oh, oops. Oh yeah. Wow. Wow. Yes, I got a purple colored GameCube. And wow. This looks even better than my black one. Yes, it even has the digital port, and my gosh, oh, I just opened the drive up, and ah, yep, that spindle is broken, so, well, good thing I've kept a spare. But we're gonna put this on the floor and see at least if the switches that hold the laser mechanism that tell the GameCube it's closed works. Oh, okay, it does turn on, and heard the laser moving. And we're actually going to take this apart. And hey, look. We even got all 4 ports. Yep. I'm gonna pause right here. Okay, so if you're wondering what my spindle looks like, here's my new spindle. This is the old spindle that popped off, so we're gonna pull this GameCube apart. It's very simple. Okay, so all 4 of the... Wait, where did I... Oh wait, I have all 4 of the screws. Okay. So, I'm gonna pull the... Oh, it's the sticker. And the void, I'll clean it off later. Okay, here we go. Actually, let me plug it in and see if the laser's actually glowing or not. Okay, I just saw it with my eyes and it is glowing. And wow, the inside is really clean too. Okay, enough on messing with the system. But my gosh, this whole entire outside shell is just almost spotless. I'm impressed. Anyway, we're gonna take the back off of this. Yeah, I just disconnected the controller board. And as for taking the fan off, you're gonna want to, because and I'm going to take the top metal brackets off as well. Now, all I want to say is take these kinds of videos as entertainment. Don't actually copy what you see, because a lot of the times the problem may vary depending on what it is. I'm gonna say this guy probably cleaned the system out before shipping it. And okay, do I actually have a screwdriver that will fit this? Okay. Nope. Hang on. Maybe this one will work. Oh. Hang on. Maybe I need a... Yeah, sometimes these screws require a lot of pressure to get them out. Yeah, I remember working on my black GameCube that I got back in March, if y'all remember that video. Yeah, I didn't want to put the... Yeah, I thought I was done with repairing it, but the original drive in it, I just scrapped for parts, and that's where I got that new spindle from. Now, I know you're thinking, well, you could just pry the old spindle out and just put the spindle in there on top. I could, but I don't want to break the drive, so we're not going to do that. Yeah, you can still see the GameCube. Okay. Now I'm showing you the disassembly process. I'm sure the assembly process you can figure out on your own. Okay, now I have all the screws out and the drive just lifts up. Wow, I'm surprised to not see any corrosion on the board. That is really nice. Okay, we'll move the actual device up there and get you a glimpse of bottom side. Oh, shit. Okay. But yeah, you're going to want to take apart the metal shield that's being secured by 6 screws. So I'm going to put this upside down. I know you're thinking, well, that screwdriver you were using could be perfect. Well, that screwdriver has detachable screw bits, so just those annoying ones that secure the drive, I had to use that one for that purpose, so. Yeah. Now what I'm actually going to do, I actually did this the other day with another GameCube drive. I'm actually going to take the spindle out. And yes, I am serious about that. Now I gotta clip the drive. You can actually bend the drive back. But you gotta detach one of the ribbon cables. Hold on. Hold on one second. There. I just had to do it with the flathead because it was in a position where I could actually do it. So. And keep in mind you're going to want to move the laser back. So it'll be easy. Ah. And oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. It wasn't the spindle motor. It was the laser. Ah. You got to lift a catch to get the laser out. Ha. And here's the bottom. It looks really nice. Now you're gonna want to get 3 screws. See if I can actually zoom in. Okay. 3 screws located here, here, and here. Alright. Now I can zoom out. Okay. Yeah, camera staying. That's good. Hey, better safe than sorry if you didn't want to take the spindle motor out. Okay. Okay. Now the spindle is out, and now to get it out, you have to pry it out. Oh. My phone's about to fall. Hang on. Okay, that's a better angle. That's good. Now here's my new one. I'm just going to carefully install it. Ah, there we go. Alright, so you have successfully installed a new spindle motor. Alright, let's put the GameCube drive back in and see if that fixed the problem. Alright, here's our new spindle standing up. Let's put the controller ports in. Oh, okay. Alright, let's put the plug in. I'm actually going to use the back as something to hold the switches down. Okay, so it's still closing. Let me get the game from my other GameCube. Although I could have used the other one, but why would I do that? Okay, alright, let's see. Down. Oh. Let's see. Alright, oh, it's doing more. I don't know if it's actually working, but alright, let's turn this off and actually hook it to the TV. Alright, so I've moved everything, but we're actually gonna test to see if the video at least comes up. But, yeah, okay. Okay. I think that's because... Okay, screen position... Okay, I know I'm probably... Sorry for shaking the camera, guys. But if you can see... January 1st, 2000. Yeah, right. Okay, it's recognizing there's a memory card in slot A. Let's check slot B. Okay, so slot B is recognizing it. That's good. Okay, but the most important thing... Will it play a game? Oh! It's working! And there we are! Oh, that's weird. Well, I think its drive might be starting to go.
File select. Select the stage.
Let me turn this down a little bit. Let me just... I think what might be wrong is that maybe the potentiometer may need to be adjusted. So I might just take it apart and again and do that. So but at least it's reading the disc. Either that or I might need to give it a good run. Controller ports might work. Well, I know port 1 works, but I don't know if the other 3 work. And this is not a good game to test all 4 controller ports with. Alright. Oh, I think... Yeah, I think the... actual drive may need some work.
Just made it.
Yeah. So maybe this GameCube will need a bit of fixing after all.
Select the stage.
I guess we'll try a different game. See if that one's any better. Guess I'll try a bit of Super Smash Bros. Melee, see if that'll work any better. See, here it is. We're gonna put it in, power it up. I think I just got a feeling the laser might be a bit weak. I'm not going to bother with that frickin' intro. I know I should be using a capture for this, but yeah, I should have just put it on 2 stock. So yeah. I guess you could call this a semi-success. The only thing I might do is just mess with the potentiometer just to increase the laser's power, because the laser, I think that's still, the GameCube does kind of work. So same issue as that drive. I might try it with other games at some point. But if it comes to me getting a new drive, it might happen. I'll probably do it whenever I feel like it. But hey, at least I have an indigo colored GameCube in my collection. And it kind of works. I just purely got this just because I wanted to fix something up. And you know, it's better than someone throwing a brick at the system. So, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye.